really just want to say thank you. Primarily thank you to the community, the people that live here, the people that use this bridge. Thank you for being a partner as we made this happen just as quickly as we possibly could. We were able to get the road open temporarily within 9 or 10 months after the disaster to keep traffic moving, and then again for this beautiful new resilient structure that we have today.
I don't think there's a more resilient community in the entire world than right here what you have in Midland and Gladwin counties. You think about the devastating floods that we suffered as a community in 2020, and in the midst of a global pandemic, no less, and it is due to the hard-working first responders and the resilience of this community that there were no lives lost, and that we're here today, rebuilding stronger, rebuilding better.
It's been a long time, but a necessary process. We understood it was going to take some time to have it done and have it done right. It's beautiful. The pedestrian walkways are going to give safe access. Just again, one step closer to having our water back, having the full joy of what Wixom Lake is to Gladwin County.
Thank you all. And I think this structure that we're seeing right now speaks to the way that we really need to be thinking about infrastructure when we build it back. This is a great example of the department, like you mentioned, the state and local folks working together to create a complete project. So thank you all again.